graders, Miss Elliott here. Welcome to Unit 2, Week 2, Lesson 3 of Phonics. We will continue to work with inflectional endings, ed and ing, and with the multisyllable words. Again, let's define inflectional ending. Inflectional endings are a group of letters that change the meaning of the word. Inflectional endings can help us determine if the event occurred in the past or present. Looking at the root or base word end, we've added the inflectional ending ed, and this changes the meaning of the word to something that ended in the past, meaning it happened in the past. Again, let's look at the root or base word end, add the inflectional ending ing. It means it's happening now. For example, the moving is ending, happening now. All right, again, let's review our spelling rules for adding inflectional endings. This is very important for decoding words. We have the doubling rule. Remember, in a one-syllable word with one short vowel ending in one consonant, double the final consonant before adding ed or ing. Again, the example we've been using is the root or base word bat. We double the final consonant t, add ed. Again, adding the inflectional ending ing to bat, we double the final consonant t and add ing. Okay, next rule, words ending in silent e. Remember, when a root or base word ends with a final e, you drop the e before adding ed and ing. And the example we've been using is the word shine. We've dropped the e, added the inflectional ending ed. We have shined. Again, root or base word shine, drop the e, add the inflectional ending ing, and we have the word shining. Happened is happening. Next rule, words ending in y. Remember, when a root or base word ends with y, change the y to I before adding ed. The example we've used is dry. We change the y to I and add ed, and we have dried, happened in the past. Okay, let's just take a look at a few of these multisyllable words. Again, I'll read these first, and then we'll have a group of words that we work on together. First word is batted. The root or base word is bat. The rule we used is double the final consonant. As you notice, the syllable break is in between the doubled consonant, batted. Next word, seeing. The root word is see. There's no spelling change. We simply added the inflectional ending ing, 2 syllables, seeing. No change in the spelling. Next word, chopping. Chopping. The root or base word is chop. We applied the double the final consonant spelling rule and added the inflectional ending ing. Again, you notice that the syllable break is between the double consonants. Listen, chop, ping. 2 P's, chop, ping. All right, next word, raking. The root word is rake. We applied the drop the final e and add the inflectional ending ing. And again, there is a spelling change. So anyway, the spelling, the syllable breaks would be raking. Okay, next word is relied. The root or base word is rely. We applied the change the y to I spelling rule, and we have a 2-syllable word, relied. It's really important that you understand and identify the spelling rules when decoding these words. Okay, let's take a look at these words. I'll read the 2 words here. And then we'll read it together. We have drained, draining. Okay, with me, please. Drained, draining. No spelling change. The root word is drain, D-R-A-I-N. Next word, rinsed, rinsing. Okay, we applied the spelling word, drop the final E and add the inflectional ending ed or ing. Next word, I'll say them and then you say them with me. Flapped, flapping. Okay, ready? Flapped, flapping. again, we applied the double the final consonant before we added the inflectional endings ed and ing. On this particular word here, the spelling syllable break is between the two P's. Flapping. Next word, rippled and rippling. Okay, rippled, rippling, syllable break. I'll clap it out for you, and then you clap it with me. Rippled, rippling. The syllable break is between the two P's. Ready? Rippled, rippling. Okay, great. Next word, blushed, blushing. Okay, no spelling change on this word. We simply just added the inflectional ending ed and again ing. Okay, you say the words with me. Ready? Go. Blushed, blushing. Okay, next word, denied, denying. Okay, say it with me. Denied, denying. Okay, we applied changed the Y to I and added ed. And when we added the inflectional ending ing, no spelling change. Again, it's really important to identify and understand these spelling rules and how we apply them. Okay, let's continue. I'll say the group of these two words and then you'll say them with me. Lapped, lapping. Okay, ready? Lapped, lapping. Again, we applied double the final consonant and add ed and add ing. The syllable break, please listen, in the word lapping is in between the double consonant, the two P's. Lapping. Okay, next group of words, hurried, hurrying. Okay, you say them with me. Hurried, hurrying. Excuse me. Next word, skipped, skipping. You say them with me. Skipped, skipping. Okay, again, syllable break in the word skipping is in between the two consonants, the double consonant. And of course, we did apply the double the final consonant rule to the word when we added ed and ing. Great, next group of words, I'll say them. Outwitted, outwitting. 3 syllables. Outwitted, outwitting. If you listen closely, clap those out. Outwitted, outwitting. The syllable break is in between that double consonant, and we did apply the double the final consonant rule before we added the ed and ing. Right, next group of words is multiplied, multiplying. Okay, let's clap it out. Multiplied, multiplying. Okay, very good. All right, well, I hope that you take your time and really use your decoding skills and pay attention to the change of spellings when you are adding or coming across words that have inflectional endings. You have a great day.